Hey everyone, Namaste. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. And if not, you'll be okay. So, this is actually something that we usually do on Dear Diary series. But the thing is that if I write this down, I won't be able to actually make this video because then I'll have weird breakdowns and I'll get triggered and stuff like that. And this video is very important, so I cannot miss on this. So I will not be writing a dear diary on this. I'll just say this to you guys here. Also, there's this video that I was going to make, but I could not because you'll know why in this video. Oh, okay. So let's get started with this. So there are a few things that we need to talk about, and they are all actually interrelated. So I'm going to start with the main basic problem. Main basic problem here is that from past 1 month I have been really weak, like physically. In this case I have been really physically weak, and it's not because of corona or covid-19. It is because of myself. It is because I did not take good care of myself, and I'm saying this because I actually did not. So I have not been eating well, and I did not really care about how much water I'm drinking much. Or actually, I never cared about how much water I drink ever in my life, but I should have. But yeah, that's my point. That I am not taking good care of myself. Now, um, that's one thing. Second thing, to record these videos, okay, I need to switch on the camera. And usually, I have been anxious about what I will be talking or how people will perceive what I say. But this time, I have been anxious about my appearance. And it's not because of how I will look, it's about what will be visible to people. So I mainly am referring to my hair, like my hair, then my body hair, as in my upper lips, my eyebrows, my underarms, and stuff like that. Now, there's a part of me which does not care about body hair. Okay, for me, it's absolutely fine if people have a lot of body hair. I never cared about it. The other part of me is equally anxious and scared to go in front of people, including video calls, when I have body hair. So, recording this video is, to be honest, a huge deal for me. Okay, so these were first two things. Now, the whole point of why I came here to tell you guys these things. Again, the first thing about why I'm recording this video is, dude, listen, if you are going through a phase where you think that there is absolutely no use in taking care of yourself, okay, or you feel like you are not worth enough to be healthy, or if you think that it's useless to take care of yourself, or if you hate yourself and that's why you don't care about yourself, or whatever it is, on those lines, this phase is gonna pass, okay, and after a point you're going to be better, and that time when you look at yourself, you're gonna just regret not taking care of yourself from the bottom of your heart. Okay, and I mean it, because I'm 21 and I cannot open the petrol tank of my two-wheeler. My sister is 14 and she weighs 2 kgs more than I am, like I weigh, because I just never cared much about myself. And now that I look myself in the mirror, I cannot believe how weak I have gotten. So when I say this that it's a phase, I'm saying it because I have lived through that phase. And it's not just my physical health. Okay? There were, and when I say phase, I don't mean a week or few weeks or a month or 2 months. I mean literally phase, as in even years. Because I was in a phase for like at least 5 to 6 years where I thought that I'm absolutely worthless and that I have no talent whatsoever, and that my existence is probably just a waste of space. After that, when I was 19 or 20, when I actually got out of that phase and I started to realize my self-worth, even at this point, on this at this date of September 25th, 25th of September 2020, I feel like I should not have given up on my talent. I should have never stopped dancing or running, and I regret that. Also, on this day, I regret not taking good enough care about my physical health because I'm so weak that I can't even pick up a bag. I'm not even exaggerating. And other than that, at least in our society, in the society that I live in, people are constantly gonna blame you for your weak health. Okay, like I get to hear this nonsense so many times. Like I know, I understand that I have missed, I understand that I'm at fault somehow, but like not completely, but I still get to take that, I still have to take that blame of getting to hear that why don't you eat properly, what is this, why can't you take care of yourself, look at people gaining weight, getting healthier, you're just on the other side of that spectrum. Like, dude, you're just making it worse for me. But not that you can explain that to everyone. But yeah, so that was first thing, the phase. The second thing, if you think you are alone in this, you are not. Okay, I swear you are not alone, and there are people who will understand you. There are people who will get exactly what you're trying to say. And if you cannot think of anyone, I hope this video reaches you. So you know there is this stupid bitch who's just sitting here in front of her teddies where she has placed her stupid phone to record this stupid video, which means a lot to stupid people like us. Please understand the sarcasm. So, and before I end this video, that again two things that I want to say. First, people who are going through eating disorder, I just want to say this to you guys that you are so strong. You guys are so amazing. I cannot even believe or imagine how you are living and fighting every day. You are such an inspiration. The fight that you guys are going through, and I really pray that you guys find the hope to keep going, because I know you will get through this. I never had an eating disorder, touch wood, and I cannot even imagine living with that, knowing how bad it can get for people. But I did have other mental issues, so I know how it feels to not want to live. But please keep going, because you inspire people. Okay. And other thing, but at the end, if you guys are still here towards the end of this video, I really hope that you guys don't text me and ask me what's happening, what's wrong, this and that. If you guys want me to know that you are there and that you wish well for me, just drop in some hearts or send me hearts, because I don't think I'll be able to answer anything. So yeah, that's for that. Thank you for listening, and I hope you guys get this message on the right time. Thank you for being here for each other, and let's stick around. Once again, a huge shout out to people with all kind of mental illnesses, and you guys are amazing. Please keep inspiring each other, and let's be support for each other. That's all for today, people. Take care, stay strong. See you soon. Bye bye.